Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can add Propeller ad code in your website or blog. So if you have added your website on Propeller and you are verified, the next step is now to add the ad code in your site. So let's do this thing. Let's start to tell you how you can do this. So guys, what you have to do, uh, I hope you have verified your site and you will find out this screen. So if you are watching the same screen, uh, you are watching here ad zone, click here on ad zone. So now you will watch the types of ads, like this is multi-tag, in-page push notifications, on-click pop under, interstitial, direct link. So in what is in page push means, if someone visit your page, then the ad will appear on the page. You're watching the ad screen, it is more horizontal than vertical, so the ad format will be this one. Push notifications, this will be the same, but there will be some different profitable format with high CDR, perfectly compatible with all other ads. So here you will get paid for new subscriptions. Means if someone take action on the impression and subscribe something, then you will get benefit of that. On click pop under, if you have if someone clicks on the link of on your website, then the ad will appear like pop under. uh, this one, non-full screen suitable for desktop and mobile traffic, high revenue compared to classic banners. So this ad will be same like above this one or this one, but the screen size will be different. These ads are more horizontal and little vertical, and this will be horizontally or vertically good in good size. Direct link, here you can get a link of that and you can make link on your website, like typing text, and when you will create on link button, then you can add this URL. So this will be a direct link. So now we are going to add here multi-tag. So guys, what is multi-tag? In multi-tag you will find all these formats about those you have just uh, listened. So there are different names, optimistic tag. Every time you create a new multi-tag, you will find a different name, but different name that mean different ads. Different name will represent the represent you what is the ad code you have added, like first time, second time. Okay, so I'm going to get this tag. So now the next step is to adding this tag on our site. So well done, tag optimistic tag. So just click on copy. You just need, it will not be copy by clicking on this copy button. You have seen that I am clicking here. So you will need to click on this in the middle section 2 times. So you'll find this copy, click on copy, and now I'm going to add this code, like going to the blog, which domain I have added there. Remember, you need to add it on the same domain, not another domain. So I have added apps.web.tech news. So this is the site. I'm going to the theme section, edit HTML. So the main thing is where I need to add this tag. So you will be thinking about where to add. So guys, you can add here on any appropriate place, and that appropriate place, I know you can paste on the head or you can paste above body tag. I prefer body tag, so I recommend you to paste it above body tag. So at the end, at the bottom, you will find this body tag. closing body tag above it. Just paste your script. Okay, so I have now pasted. Let's save it. One thing guys, remember, save it properly until you see update successful, otherwise it will not be saved and you will say, oh, you're not watching that. So now back it, view your blog. So now let's see there are ads or not. So just wait for 10 seconds. Oh, you're watching. This is pushed ads. The first ad I have told you, when someone visit your page, the ads will appear like this. So these are native ads, like from blogs, another blogs, agent advertising. So these are all types of text ads you will see here. So guys, that's it. The task is successful. So I hope you will be able to do this. So just add it, earn money and enjoy. I will meet my next video with some other cool information. Till then, bye bye. Take care.